Hey guys, Steve here. And today I want to, hold on, this is my friend Barry. I wanted you to meet my friend Barry the robot. Say hi, Barry. Hi, everybody. Yeah, anyway, that's Barry the robot, and that's why I'm here. What I want to do first is ask you to click the thumbs up button, click the notification bell if you're interested in the content that I'm producing, and don't forget to share if you feel like someone else will be interested in this content. So this is Barry the robot, okay? This is just a concept page that I've been working on to help me promote my free bot system, which there'll be a link in the description box below. But this is a capture page that I'm working on to promote this, and I think it's pretty cool. Hi, Barry. Hi, guys. Click the button below, right? So anyway, so that's the page. But what I want to do is I want to get on and show you the free bot system and how you can use it to promote any affiliate offer. And the affiliate offer that I'm going to show you is the Infinity Processing System. Why? Because as an affiliate of the Infinity Processing System, you don't get a capture page. And part of what the Infinity Processing System teaches you is actually how to do social media marketing for free, right? It's like direct marketing, right? And so anyway, let's start with the free bot system, and then I want to show you how you can incorporate the free bot system and use it to promote your Infinity Processing System. I don't think anybody's thought about this yet because, you know, sometimes in the affiliate marketing space, everybody's polarized to one offer only or to one offer, but not here, not me. I use different strategies, and I like bundling, you know, like the combo meal, you know, give a person a bundle and they can do a lot more with it. You know, a lot of people peace party because they want your money. I really don't care about that. I'm just here just to help and show you different ideas and strategies of how you can use the tools together, like get the hammer and the nail, not just, you know what I mean? Get the screwdriver and the screw, you know. So anyway, let's start here. This is the free bot system, and this is just to be quick. This is just going over your support page and your resources. Here's your link. This is the link that you would promote, right? And this video describes a little bit of what you're gonna do, of how you would use this platform. And in this example, it's a list leverage promotion, right? And it shows you just here, in the video will walk you through it. It shows you how, when you go to this custom page for list leverage, you'll get a pop-up of a chatbot that's gonna walk you through some steps, that's gonna entertain not entertain, but get your lead to enter their email address, get their information, and it's all integrated with Facebook, okay? The Facebook Messenger. So, and as you know, there's different ways to do this, but ultimately, no one really knows how to create your own chat bots and do all of this and incorporate it together unless you're skilled at that. So this is the service. This is the tool that you get with the free bot system. And this is how beneficial it is for any affiliate opportunity. And that list leverage is an example. And later on in this video, I'll show you a different example. So anyway, well, as you walk through here, this platform also gives you the tools that you need that you can use to promote it on social media. You have these links, these pictures, you have email, pre-written emails, you have personal script for when you do them calls, right? Banner ads, videos to download and upload to any social media platform, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever. And you also have a training schedule. The training is from Monday to Saturday. Sundays are everybody's day of rest, right? So then you come down to the 3 income streams of this free bot system, which is amazing because if you incorporate it with the IPS system, which is the Infinity Processing System, you can take a free bot that promotes up to a $300 commission, instant commission, 100%, no monthly fees. No monthly fees with the free bot system as long as you keep it on the free plan, and instant commissions with no monthly fee for that. So that's the excellent combo. I love 100% programs and I love free, right? So just because it's free, don't sleep on it. So anyway, you come down here and it shows you the 3 income streams. And as you can see, for 100 contacts or less, it's 0 monthly, but there's a way that you can do it. If you build your downline and you retain all your contacts, as long as your downline or your contacts are producing, sharing, and promoting this same offer, they're generating commissions, and that commissions trickles up to you in this particular formula here, these percentages, and that alone will pay for your monthly fee. But not only that, say you had less than 100 contacts, which which is going to be hard to do once you start using this and implementing this strategy. Your contacts are going to grow. Let's face it, all affiliate marketers need a place to store their contacts, whether it be an autoresponder, Aweber, GetResponse, or all of that, or I have the Power Lead system. I have a lot of contacts in there. You need somewhere to store your contacts. The money is in the list. Your list is your asset. So ultimately, when people start growing their contacts, they're going to want to keep them somewhere, and they're going to be willing to pay, so you're going to get those commissions. That's how that works. But that's how this free, that's the income stream right there. But that's how the free system works. Now, the second part of the free system is you get 2 web pages with automated chat conversations. Now, I'm going to put a request in for specifically the offer that I have in mind, but this is what you can do with it, right? So I just want to touch base real quick before I get off on a tangent. This is the second income stream, which is totally optional. It's a additional $20 a month, potentially, that you can make. The only way you can get that residually is if you also purchase it, where you get the Endless Free Leads mobile resource that teaches you how to close sales, promote online. It has 60 videos, 75 scripts, and also, you get a vacation package worth up to $750. The third income stream is on a timer here, and if you can see up here, you have 265 spots left. And this is basically if you go all in and buy the lifetime membership, which I highly recommend if you are serious about affiliate marketing, because that eliminates all monthly fees. You get waived on the $20 a month here, right? And you get unlimited contacts for free, and you also get unlimited done for you web pages right here. Unlimited done for you web pages, which if you're not a VIP member, you only get 2, right? So that's very important. And I have bonuses associated with that, and there'll be a link in the description box below. So as we move on, this is your third income stream. If people come in and buy the unlimited lifetime package, you'll make $150 commission spot on, right? It's direct to you. So that's the 3 income streams. But really what this free bot system does is it allows you to, if you don't have a capture page, no, let me take it back. It allows you to promote using 21st century strategies, right? This whole messenger strategy. Now I want to show you. Now quickly, this is my list and it's growing. So I got like 115 people on my, I've been promoting and they've been promoting and those people have been promoting. I'm already down to level 5 with 115, which is super nice because potentially everybody on this list, let's see, it just changed 164. Somebody else bought in. Now I'm up to 117. So, so anyway, oh, that's the video. Hold on. So that's, let's stop that video real quick because we don't need to hear the guy. Come on. Okay, so anyway, let's quickly jump over. This is my bonuses. Like I said, it'll be a click the link in the description box below. Every time I say click, I want to say clink. Throw you in the clink. It's like holding zeros. But anyway, let's see. So the Infinity Processing System. Now, the Infinity Processing System, like I said, is a platform here. Now, there's no capture page. Like I said, no matter how you look, here's your product levels and everything. There'll be a link in the description box. And there's no way for you to capture my information, right? So this is just an example that I'm going to show you of how this works. And I need you to follow me. This is a concept because the FreeBot system hasn't been released until, it won't be released until June, but this is what you can expect and how this can work and how a FreeBot system can benefit you. So I highly suggest you sign up for your free bot account below and just take a look at the bonuses also, because that might make you make a decision and get you off of the fence. So this is the page that you get with Infinity Processing System. Now, here is a concept page that I made. This is the same page. I just threw it together in a matter of minutes. Let's go here first. Here's the concept page. I just want you to see it, right? Now pay attention. and I'm gonna hit enter. So here's the page. It looks the same, other than you can't scroll up and down, right? And boom, right? So, oh, what is that? Now a chat bot pops up. Oh, sorry. I grabbed the wrong screen because I'm looking at the wrong screen. A chat bot pops up and says, chat with promote IPS with the FreeBot system. And it just asks you. So this is a sample of how this works. And I would click here, right? Oh, here. And it would try to log me into Facebook so it could begin a conversation with me. And, oh, I'm on the wrong screen, clicking again. And voila, it would try to automatically start talking to me, right? Now, it's amazing because that's the kind of technology we're working with here. Sorry, let's close this. But that's the concept, right? That's how it works. And that's how this free bot system will integrate. That's how you can use it to promote and help you promote and generate more leads using the IPS and the free bot system. Now, let me show you an actual working copy of the bot here. So list leverage. I just wanted you to see, to visualize if you were using it for your Infinity processing system. Now let's take a look at one for the list leverage, right? So here's the list leverage one. And you see it still popped up automatically and it still wants to interact with me. You see that? I'm on the wrong screen, pressing it again. So it's interacting with me and it wants to talk me into what? Giving the information for list leverage, which I already went through before, but it's in here. Life-changing money, yes, it's interacting, right? So imagine using this kind of thing for the IPS system. It takes a lot of work away. And it knows my name. It says it needs to confirm. And, you know, it still amazes me that, you know, it's like calling somebody by their government name. You know what I mean? Like, hey, Steve. Or like, well, hold up. My name is Dean. You know, well, how you know that name? You know what I mean? It just called out my email address that I don't even use. So it's like I got shocked and surprised when I first seen it. Like, what? You ain't even supposed to be telling nobody that. You ain't supposed to tell my name in public like that, right? But that's part of what this does. So then I would hit confirm. So now I just gave them permission to contact me via that. And then it throws out my number, my seven digits out there. Like, okay. So I click that. Now it has my number to interact with me. And now it continues on talking to me. It tells me how I can get a free system. And the free system would be the free bot system in this case. And it would offer to take me to a website and I would go directly to whatever website it was pointing to. But that was just a demo. So that really didn't go anywhere. I just wanted to show you that quick walkthrough. So anyway, that's all that I want to do is show you how this actually system works and how you can actually use it. If you can just follow my train of thought, how you can use it with the Infinity processing system. You would create a page, you would have the free bot system, you connect the two, and now when you promote the Infinity processing system, you immediately have the ability to chat with your lead. That's all I wanted to show you, but it's game changing, right? Now, what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to get ahead of the curve because that's what I'm trying to do. So I offer bonuses, and I'll leave a link for free members and for paid members, both in the US and outside of the US. You can check the options below in the link, but I'm trying to get ahead of the curve. So I'm creating some pages using the Power Lead system that we can perhaps customize and share code to promote our Infinity processing system that you will also get if you join me in the Infinity processing system. I have bonuses separately for that. If you join me in that, I'll also share my share codes in the Power Lead system with you so we can, you know, do different things and different strategies. As you can see, I just threw this together last night real quick, and this is just some concept art, right? But, you know, you can do things like that in the Power Lead system, and I plan on using those little tips, tricks, and strategies. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you enjoyed the concept that I was trying to share with you of how you can use the free bot system and promote the Infinity processing system. So if you're interested in partnering with me in any of those products, the links will be in the description box below. and it'll be great to partner with you, and we can do this. And I'm always here to help. Reach out. My contact information, connect with me on Facebook, is all down in the description box. And that's all I got. Thanks for hanging out. Peace. That's it. Peace. I'm out. Bye. Had to find the stop button.